Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where you won't be getting any false promises or misleading information. This is a place where we have an honest conversation about how to improve your life. No sugarcoating, no beating around the bush. I know that the internet is full of promises of overnight success and quick fixes. But the truth is, life isn't a fairy tale. There's no magical recipe for success or fast money. What I offer on this channel are concrete steps, real solutions, and, above all, straightforward discussions. Living a healthy life? Absolutely, it's crucial, but you won't find any weird diets or miracle pills here. Instead, we'll talk about healthy eating, regular exercise, and the mental strength that can truly change your life. When it comes to making money online, forget about quick millions. But we'll discuss real ways to build your online income source. There are no shortcuts, but there is a guide that can help you achieve your goals. Stock market? Yes, it's a fascinating topic, but we're not here to lure speculators. We'll discuss investment strategies, risk, and how to achieve financial stability. I want you to remember that on this channel, I don't promise you mountains of gold or instant success. What I promise you is honesty, honest conversations, and concrete steps to improve your life. If you want to learn more, subscribe to this channel and join our community of people who know that life is hard work, but it's worth it. Together, we'll make our lives better. Thank you for watching this video, and remember that here you'll get what you really need to improve your life. See you in the next episode.